tea. Today I'm gonna make meat roll and miso soup. For meat roll, we will need asparagus, carrots, pork, and cooking sake, soy sauce, sweet cooking sauce. For miso soup, we will need handashi, miso paste, tofu, leek, kaiwale microgreen. This vegetable is for salad. My dad taught me how to roll. Now I'm gonna show you how to roll.
What is that?
Asparagus.
Okay, you put asparagus.
2.
2. Okay. And what is that?
Carrot.
And you're gonna roll?
Yes.
It's like playing?
Not really, because it's so slimy.
Wow. Can you show me? Okay, wow, very good.
I will cook miso soup, and this is water and handashi. First, we will put leek,
Okay, wow. And we're gonna wait.
yes. While we wait miso soup, we will make teriyaki sauce for meat roll. After about 5 minutes, we will put miso paste. Now miso soup are done. It's look yummy. Next, we will cook meat roll. My dad put some oil in the fry pan, and then we will put the meat roll into the pan. Now we will put the sauce in the pan. Next, I will put in the plate. My dad will put sauce in.
You wanna try?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. You think it's gonna be yummy?
I don't really think.
Okay, let's taste it.
I'm nervous.
Okay, let's do it.
It's finished now. Can you taste it?
Sure, it looks so yummy. I will taste from the meat roll. Mmm. Really yummy. Okay. so much.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye.
What will you do?
I will taste.
How is it?
Yummy.
Wow.